Hola, hola, hola! Today I'm gonna be showing you this beautiful cat eye magnetic gel polish from Born Pretty. The first one is a beautiful gold color. It looks like these gel polishes have a lot of magnets in it because the shine is amazing. The second one is the more deeper gold. Look at this, the shine is so good against the light. And you're gonna see the swatches after, they are gonna apply so nicely. So check out this on the description box below because I'm going to leave all the links there for you guys, plus my discount code with them for a 10% off. So here on the side of the bottles you can see the numbers or the name of the colors, and this one is just a beautiful silver. They apply very nicely, the consistency is really good as well. The next one is another shade of the gold. So beautiful. Again, sorry, I repeat beautiful so many times. And here are all of them, 5 of them. You can get them if you like them. Next, I'm gonna be showing you the swatches. I'm using black gel polish as a base, but depending on the base that you use, you will get different results. And here are all of them with the black base gel. They're so cute. And next, I'm gonna be creating some press-on nails. I'm gonna be using this gel tips from Shein. When creating press-on nails, I like to buff the nail tips, or in this case, I'm using primer. The primer creates like a texture. In this way, the base gel will adhere better. And after that, I'm gonna go in with a beautiful nude from Imayli. This is a brand that I purchased on Amazon. It's HEMA free, that's why I use it often. I know there are other brands out there, HEMA free, even Born Pretty has a few polishes like that as well. But this one is, it's Amazon, so it's more accessible to everyone. And the colors are cute as well. I cure each layer 60 seconds. And when applying gel polish, the secret is to keep thin layers because otherwise the gel polish will sometimes just bulge to one side of the nail, and then you will have to file and reshape everything again. So applying thin layers one at a time is the secret to get an even application. And here I'm curing the nails in my lamp. And for today's design, I'm gonna be using another beautiful gel polish from Born Pretty. It comes already with a brush that is a liner brush, so it's easier to create designs. They have different colors in this system with the liner brushes. They are very convenient when you're creating nail art. Today I'm doing like a Frenchy, just the frame part of it, and then I'm going to fill the inside with the cat eye gel polish. I'm gonna be using one of the light gold color, and I'm just gonna go with my liner brush, fill it in, and then I'm going to use the magnet to magnetize the color, and you see how pretty it's going to look. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Some of the nails I'm gonna be painting completely with a cat eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply top coat and put some decoration on it. And look at this, look how nice these magnets move around. These are completely beautiful. So I'm gonna be using these cute rhinestones that I have here, and I'm gonna be curing the top coat for 60 seconds, and then stay tuned because I'm going to apply the nails with nail glue and you will see the final result. Now I'm going to apply my nails. I'm going to be using Model 1's nail glue. If you haven't used press-ons before, they usually come with a kit with a mini buffer, a mini file, nail glue, alcohol pad, and sticky tabs in case you want to apply them with that instead of glue. And then I push my cuticles, and now I'm buffing the shine from my natural nails to remove any oils. And then I'm cleaning my nails with the alcohol pad. This will dehydrate the nails and it will help with the adhesion of the glue. I'm gonna put one drop on top of my natural nail and one drop inside the fake nail. And then I'm going to hold my nail in place for about 30 seconds until the glue dries. Sometimes you have to do troubleshooting, and sometimes depends as well from the glue quality. I just want to say thank you for everyone who stayed until the end of the video. I appreciate it very much. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and here are the final results for today. I absolutely love these Born Pretty gel polishes. I really recommend you guys that you go check it out. They're completely gorgeous. Look at this.